This is quite incredible, everyone. This is wild dogs like I've never seen before. They are just the most formidable hunters, and we just got it again. A wild dog kill. It's a tricky one, folks. This is a impala lamb, and they're just starting excuse me, to lamb. They're dropping their lambs, and this is one of the second ones we've seen, and they do fill a huge part of the food chain for these predators. They're important parts of the cycle, and the wild dogs can pick them off quite easily, but he's got this and he's now looking around for the pups. They'll probably be coming in any second. He might take it to the pups, I'm not sure, but they'll probably turn up at some point, or he might just polish this off himself and see how he goes, but he's looking around for them. He's definitely trying to look where they are, but he was at speed, and it's only a small meal, but it's enough to keep him going. He's looking for the rest of the pack, keeping an eye out. They've got fantastic senses of hearing and sense of smell. They can run up to 35 miles an hour, so that's why I was speeding all over the place to try and keep up. But we've made the right decision to stay on these roads. It was an incredible thing to see. I'm just going to call a couple of the guys to let them know. All Gemma stations, Wild Earth, just got wild dog on the Gowrie Buffelshoek cut line, about 500, maybe 200 or 500 metres from the main gate. Over. Now, there's an interesting thing that will happen when he gets back to the pups. If he consumes a lot of this meat, they will do this absolutely incredible begging, and also other females, and there's nearly a competition for begging, to the point where it'll make him disgorge some of the meat that he's eaten for them. And he's off again. This is the opportunistic behaviour. Look how good he looks. He is a beautiful animal. He's looking for his pups. The interesting thing is he has to keep going with this, because if he doesn't, there's going to be another predator that comes.